Alright, first six, pasok na po tayo. We are back live sa ating Facebook page. Once again, we would like to greet ang ating mga viewers all the way from Vigan, Ilocos Sur, Marian, Meryl, and Sir Ryan. Hello po. Team Ronald King. Hello po sa inyo dyan. And ingat sa Vigan, Ilocos Sur. Back to the game. We have player number 5 on the service line. Cross-court player number 14, Esteban. One serving none. Bola ng San Jose. Esteban on the service line. Service outside. Points for team Rojas. Substitution, 7 out, 2 in. Chu on the service line. Net touch committed by Fahilan rather. Through the block, Ganoria, player number 3, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. 2-all. We now have player number 16, Dipasupil, serving. Ball still good. Inatang bola to player number 4. Nakuha ni player number 5 to Ganoria. Block. Outside. Points for Team Rojas. 3 serving 2. Still on the service line, Dipasupil. Points for Team San Jose. We are now tied at 3 points. Cross court by Ganoria, player number 3. Rojas Oriental Mindoro 4, serving 3. We now have Ganoria on the service line. Through the block from Rojas Oriental Mindoro. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Down the line, Del Moral, player number 5. Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 6, serving 3. Still serving, Ganoria. Service error. Points for Team San Jose Occidental Mindoro. We now have player number 1 for Team San Jose Sarmiento on the service line. Donatalia. Back row, but that's an attack error committed by Demetilia. Puntos para sa Team Oriental Mindoro. 25 out, 17 in. 12 in. Player number 12 on the service line. Castillo serving. Nakuha ni Demetilia. And that's a nice attack by Esteban, player number 14. Happy viewing, Ayan Rala from Bagong Sikat Occidental. Combination play, Del Moral, player number 5. 8 serving 5, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. On the service line, we have player number 1, De Los Reyes. Blocked by Del Moral. Player number 5, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. 9 serving 5, still serving De Los Reyes. Block Del Moral. 10 serving 5. Still serving De Los Reyes. One, two, play. Player number 16. Dipasupil. Timeout called by Team San Jose. Hello, hi mabuhay sa ating Facebook Live viewers. Marinel Denglasan Suerte, hello po. Go Team San Jose. Go Sarmiento. TJ, grabe yung presensya ng June Marwin Evangelio. Watch ka lang dyan, Ayan. Still serving, De Los Reyes. Service ace! De Los Reyes. Inside, points for Team San Jose. 6 serving 12. We now have player number 13 on the service line, Obinala. Nagkatinginan ang Oriental Mindoro. Miscommunication points for Team San Jose. Still on the service line is Obinala. Down the line, Del Moral. Player number 5, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. 13 serving 7. Del Moral serving. Through the block by Ganoria, player number 3. 14, serving 7. Player number 5 on the service line. Net touch committed by Gabayno. Player number 7, Rojas Oriental Mindoro. Score for Team San Jose. Esteban on the service line. Yes, Ayan, ako nga. Net touch committed by Ganoria. Player number 3, puntos para sa Team San Jose. 9 serving, 14. Still on the service line is player number 14, Esteban. Soft touch, Ganoria. Player number 3. 7 out, 2 in. 2. Sharp cross, Demetilia, player number 6, San Jose Occidental Mindoro. 10 serving, 15. Points by Ganoria, player number 3. Ganoria pa rin for Rojas Oriental Mindoro. Check ball, points 17, serving 10. Dipasupil on the service line. Quick attack. Player number 25. Timeout called by the team of San Jose. Pa-shoutout po kay Kuya Charles Anyayahan. Galingan mo po from Kirby Dalida. Tito Carl po ba nagsasalita? Yes, ayan. Pa-shoutout po kay Galicia Renz Joshua. Go Rolando, mua ka sakin, sister. Shoutout po kay Bets. Si Chu ulit, go CJ, go Kate Erwin Chu. Lakas ng boss, habol. Back to the ball game. Nice attack by Esteban. Player number 4. Team San Jose. Orfiano. Demetini on the service line. Ganoria. Attack error, service error rather. Sharp cross, Del Moral, player number 5. Substitution, 25 out, 12 in. Score natin 20, serving 12. Castillo on the service line. Quick attack by Orfiano, player number 4. Team San Jose Occidental Mindoro, 13 serving 20. Service error, puntos para sa Team Oriental Mindoro. Player number 1 on the service line, De Los Reyes, serving. Block by player number 7, Gabayno. Steal on the service line is De Los Reyes, player number 1. Al, wag mo muna i-end later ha. Points for Team Oriental Mindoro. 23 serving 13. Steal on the service line is De Los Reyes, player number 1. Quick attack by Kunanan, player number 2. 11 out from Oriental Mindoro, 9 in. Power tip, Gabayno, player number 7. Service outside, puntos para sa Team Occidental Mindoro, 14. Serving, 24. 15 serving, 24. Player number 14 serving, Esteban. Through the block, Ganoria, player number 3. 7 out, 2 in. 2 on the service line. Cross court hit by Demetilia. 16 serving, 25. Team Captain Kunanan serving. 1-2 play, Dipasupil, player number 16. Rojas Oriental Mindoro, 26, serving 16. Dipasupil serving. Attack error. Denied by the net. Puntos para sa Team Oxy. 17 serving 26. Combination play. Montoya. 27 serving 17. Ganoria, the team captain, serving. Cross court hit. Del Moral, number 5. Warning, serving 17. Still on the service line, the team captain. Service error. Points for Team San Jose. Sarmiento on the service line. Match point. 25 out, 12 in. Match point, serving 18. Player number 12, Castillo. Serving. Attack error. Congratulations, Team Oriental Mindoro. Next game, K-Tropa versus Wild Cards. Yan, shout out muna tayo sa ating Facebook Live. Patuloy-tuloy lang po muna ng ating live, Sir Alger. Hello, hi, mabuhay. Let's go Oriental Mindoro, sabi ni Jeffrey Blancia. Good evening po. Shout out sa